Unilever is a leading multinational consumer goods company that develops and markets food, personal care and household cleaning products. In Bydgoszcz, Poland, the company operates one of its largest European manufacturing plants dedicated to beauty, well-being and personal care products. Unilever decided to upgrade its logistics infrastructure to support the growing production of personal care products from brands such as Dove, Rexona and Tresemme. 90% of the output from this plant is exported to international markets. Unilever entrusted Mecalux with designing a logistics solution to support the growth of its production plant, streamline the flow of goods and provide full inventory control. The Mecalux solution includes a new automated warehouse connected to production via a floor-mounted electric monorail system, conveyors and pallet elevators. The EasyWMS warehouse management system oversees all logistics operations. Unilever's automated warehouse is a rack-supported building with capacity for more than 9,000 pallets across 4 double-deep aisles. 4 stacker cranes store and retrieve pallets from their locations, performing up to 130 combined cycles per hour. Connecting the production lines with the automated warehouse and the dispatch area was one of Unilever's key challenges when designing this facility in Bydgoszcz. Mecalux's solution ensures the continuous and safe flow of goods through an enclosed elevated bridge located 7.5 meters above ground level. Inside, a floor-mounted electric monorail system and pallet elevators automatically transport pallets containing personal care products between production, storage and dispatch. Using Mecalux's EasyWMS warehouse management system, Unilever coordinates all goods movements between the different areas of the automated warehouse. The logistics software provides full traceability and accurate control over inventory status. Additionally, it supports decision-making and improves delivery planning. This completely digitalized management would not be possible without EasyWMS's ability to integrate and communicate continuously with the company's ERP system. The solution has increased the productivity of Unilever's logistics operations, ensuring a continuous automated flow of goods and tight control over its products. With this new logistics center, the companies further strengthen a long-standing partnership. Together, Mecalux and Unilever have already delivered numerous intralogistics projects in countries such as the UK, Brazil and Uruguay, as well as other international markets.